In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Outlook mailbox connected so you can manage emails right inside ClickUp, saving you time and keeping conversations tied to your work. To start, make sure you're logged in to your ClickUp workspace in a desktop browser. It's helpful to have your Microsoft account details handy, especially if your organization uses multi-factor authentication, because you'll be asked to approve the connection in a moment. Once you're in ClickUp, open the main menu and look for the option labeled More. From there, choose Apps. This is where ClickUp centralizes integrations and add-ons, so you can turn on exactly what your team needs without digging through multiple settings pages. If you don't see apps, try expanding the menu or checking that you have permission to manage integrations in this workspace. In the apps area, use the search bar to find Outlook email. Typing Outlook or Microsoft should surface the correct tile right away. Opening the Outlook email option gives you an overview of what the integration does and the controls to connect your mailbox. Next, click Configure or Connect. The button label may vary depending on whether the integration has been visited before, but both options lead to the same setup flow. This tells ClickUp you're ready to link your Microsoft account and sets up the secure handshake between the two services. Now choose Sign In with Microsoft. A Microsoft sign-in window will pop up. If it doesn't, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for ClickUp. Select the Microsoft account you want to use for Outlook, then follow the prompts. You may be asked to pick the correct work profile if you're part of multiple organizations. Review the permissions request carefully. ClickUp needs access to read and send mail on your behalf, so emails can appear in your tasks, and then approve to continue. If your company enforces additional security, complete the verification steps as prompted. When the window closes, you should see that your Outlook account is connected in ClickUp. From here, you can start using email where it matters most, alongside tasks and projects, so messages and action items stay in one place. If you run into any issues, double-check your account selection, ensure pop-ups aren't blocked, and verify that your admin allows third-party app connections. That's it, you've successfully integrated Outlook with ClickUp.